It's CMZ going up against Uratex. Let's check the first three for both teams. Unahin na natin ang CMZ. We have Rob Davis, Rob Panes, and John Amores. Samantalang dito naman, we have Ryan sa Uratex, Ryan Recasio. And Rob Panes immediately scoring at 3. Kasama si Barry Allen.
Oh, binawian.
And to complete the 3 here, it's RJ Barua. Amores against Barua.
Oh, reverse layup.
Amores with a big shot. Barua with a winning shot earlier, but this time he will miss his first attempt. Rampales! Rusty layup, it's good.
Strong.
Warning on delay of the game on the orange jersey. Yan ang CMC. Tignan mo naman yung kaliwa na yun.
Wakali.
Here's Barry Allen.
Yo.
Back-to-back two. They need more, they need to come much closer dito kay Barry Allen as he's making that 2 points. Recasio. Gandang matchup mo. Recasio against Amores. Barry Allen. Here's Barua escaping the defense of Rob Davis that scores on that layup. Rob Davis. Rob gives it to Panes. Rob Panes for Duke.
Wala.
It will go out.
Ayun na naman.
Allen again. Barry Allen with a 3 straight 2-pointer. Crossover Panes.
Ang ganda.
Unselfish play tawag dun. And Barry Allen, quick hands.
Intercepted by John Amores. Makikita natin yung...
Alam mo, tibay din ang ating mga lady officials, no?
Hindi nagpapatinag eh.
So,
Oh.
makikita mo talaga, binubulabog sila. Pero ito yung ating Torres Farm. 2 shots.
Binaliwala mo.
2-point shots of the ball
Nakakatatlo
game.
na yun ngayon. Nakakatatlo na yun.
Or rather, 1 free throw para kay Barry Allen.
Yung mga ano natin, yung mga nanonood to sa upper portion, hindi sila
Free pass. Recasio, Amores. Amores loses that leather. Look at that dive on that ball. And part a topper team ng Totops, no? Mukhang naubos sila sa banggaan doon eh.
Tsaka pinahirapan talaga
Pinahirapan sila. And sabi nga eh, kung talagang kanila talaga. Pero yung time na yun, natalo sila. Ito, ina-awardan na po ang ating runner-up. Of course, none other than kasama na sa awarding ang ating tournament director, Coach Daddy, Coach Chris Nino. At of course, ang ating founder, din ang ating, of course, ang ating overall operations in this ball game.
Because
Kanina, hindi maganda yung semifinals. Pero itong finals, grabe ginawa.
Because all game long, si Rob, si John has been carrying the load. Pero nung down the stretch, tumulong na rin yung Santos.
Grabe. At ito na, ang runner-up again. Another Cinderella finish for Team Uratex of Coach Victor King. Ito yung game highlights, partner. Rob Panes sa kanyang 2-pointer. Hatid sa atin ang The Shawarma Shack. Napakaganda rin ang nilaro no? Ni Barry Allen. No? Kaya lang, medyo hindi na nag-deliver yung kanyang mga big guards.
Tsaka yung mix of composition.
Ayan na, si GTA pala, partner.
Ito na, Boss Rendon. Yan.
Ayan,
Ating,
physical 3.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the most valuable player.